Let him play with that?
Yeah.
Is he okay?
Yeah.
Does he need the doctor?
No. He's had a doctor.
He doesn't need a doctor. What you doing?
I'm gonna sit down by home.
Yeah.
He played with that toy.
Okay.
Thank you. He's gonna play with that. He's gonna...
What are you doing, silly? You jumping on the bed? Jumping on the chair?
No.
There was one little monkey
No,
jumping on a chair.
Yeah, I'm Jasmine.
You're right. You are right.
I keep Tony's daughter because I think I got a border for. Look, he's sad.
He's sad? Why do you think he's sad?
Tony.
Tony's sad? You think he needs a hug? Maybe? Maybe a kiss? Oh, that's so sweet. That makes him all better, right? That makes him feel all better.
He wants it. He wants it.
You see which toy he might want? That's very nice.
He don't want it. 'Cause
He
he's
doesn't? Okay. He just wants you.
sad. Yeah, he wants mom.
He just wants love with Jasmine, right?
No, I'm mommy.
Your mommy?
Yeah.
Are you his mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's Tony.
Is Tony your baby?
Yeah, 'cause he's sad.
Because he's sad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hungry.
He's hungry?
Yeah, I got my food.
Okay.